Hey guys, it's Mike from Let's Wander. I've got the new Trekology Yizi LITE 750 Ultralight chair. It's been on 2 trips with us so far. Have had no problems. Its pack size is about 12 inches by 5 inches round. Weighs in at 1 pound 11 ounces in the sack, or 1 pound 9 ounces out of the sack. I'll go set it up for you and check it out. Pretty cool. For the price, 40 bucks. It's a very good deal. Okay guys, so I'll show you how to set it up. Sorry for the wind. Change positions. I'm now at the Whitewater Preserve. It comes in 2 parts. It comes in the frame and the fabric. The fabric is a nylon polyester. It's like a standard chair. Frame comes in a standard chair setup. Just click all your legs into place. It's basically the standard chair setup. I've got these nice little tabs and pockets for the frame. Like I said before, sorry for the wind. Gotta hold it or it'll blow away. It's 9.8 inches tall at the front, 21 inches across the front, and it's the standard bucket seat. Got a nice little pocket on the side. You can put your phone or whatever you need to put in there. For $40, it's a nice chair. Sits a little low. If you're not used to getting out of it, it'll be a little hard at first, but there are ways. I mean, you can lean over to the side and get out that way, or you can just pull your legs back and pretty stable. Don't have to worry about it falling over, or I worry about it blowing away in this wind, but it's California desert. You should check it out. There will be a link in the description for this chair. If you like what you're seeing, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay safe out there.